What up guys, this is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and we're going to be doing another simple application with Windows Form. So we're going to be doing a calculator. It's a simple calculator, okay? So let's start. But before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We're growing slowly but steady. All right. So right, we're going to need a level right here. Let's put a level. We're going to need a text box. What is my text box? Right here, text box. And now, and right here, we're going to do the following. We're going to copy this right there, just a few times. Right there. Oh, go back. So we'll need um, a couple numbers. Number one, number two is going to be the input from the customer, or I mean the user, and then the operation is going to be addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. So we need two more of this. Come on, give me that. So let's see, 3, 4, okay, and then we need a button. And we need a button. Let's see, okay, right here. So you know what, let's put this over here, then over here, then right here. Right there. Okay, cool. And then our button is going to be right here. So now let's change the text. So we're going to say first number right here. Okay, let's do that. Let's change the label. Let's say first number. And then we're going to call this text box. I'm going to give it a name. We're going to call it first. Oh, display first. Yeah, let's just do that. Display first, pen. Okay. Now for the second, we're going to say, oh, let's put go to the second number, and then for the text box, we're going to say display 2. Where are you? Right here. Display 2. Okay. And right here, we're going to have addition. Text. Have addition right there. And then the text box is going to be addition box. Addition box. Next one is going to be subtraction. And then same thing, we're going to call it subtraction box. For the name, for the design name, it's going to be subtraction box. Okay. How do they call this? What they call it? No. Wait, where I am? Addition, right? Did I call it? Oh, I didn't change that? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to call it addition. addition box. Oh no, what did I do? Let's see. What did I change over here? What did I change? Let's see. For the text, we got addition. Yeah, there is no text in here, which we don't need the text. For the design, it doesn't like this. Let's change the name. Addition box display. Addition box display. What did I put right here for the subtraction? Subtraction box. Yeah, let's just match it. Display. Okay. And this is going to be multiplication for that label. Multiplication. Bam, we have it. And then for the box, on the multiplication box, multiplication box display. Okay. And for the last one, we have what is it? Division. Yeah. Let's change that. It has spelled division. Bam. And then we're going to call it division. Where are you? Design name. Division box display. Bam. We have it. And now let's change our button. Let's what is it? We're going to put a calculate as a text. Calculate, and then we're going to give it a name. Calculate button. Calculate button. Bam. Okay, we're good. Now let's double click and calculate. So we'll just take it to the code behind it. All right, calculate button, click. So now, right here, we're going to do the following. So we're going to have we're going to declare some variables right here. We got int. We're going to say A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So it looks like it doesn't like the E. Let's say, what is it? Local parameter name E cannot be declared in this scope because that name is used in an enclosing local scope. Define. Yeah, let's change it. Let's see if we just change it. F. You know, let's do this. Let's call it AB. Let's put addition. Let's call it add subs. Let's do right here sub, what is it, mult for multiplication, and div for division. Okay, that should be a lot easier. Okay, so now since we have those variables, now we're going to say A. We're going to convert that because when they enter, it's going to be just a text, right? We're gonna convert that to int. Let's see. Let's look over here. Int 32. And then right here, we're going to pass what is the name of the text box. So display first that text. Let's just do Control D, convert for this is going to be B for the second number, and then we're going to say display 2. Okay, and then right here we're going to have the operations, right? We're going to have add equals a plus b, and then we're going to have subs for subtraction, minus b, semicolon. Then we have mul for multiplication, a times b. Then we have division, div equals to a forward slash b semicolon. Okay, and then right here we're going to say what is the name of the box for addition. What is addition box display, and we're going to say that text equals to right here we're going to say add that to a string. Oh, come on, give me a break. Open, closing, semicolon. And then we have, what is it, the other one? Subtraction box display that text equals to subs that to a string. Same thing. Oh man, what the heck? So we can get those values. Then we have multiplication box display that text equals mul that to a string, semicolon, and then the last was going to be div box display that text equals to div that to a string, and then the semicolon. All right, that should be it. So let's see what we got. Let's run the program. I'm gonna take a little bit of a time, but it should be there. Okay, cool. So we have this now. So let's enter 10, and then let's just do 5, and then okay, we just do calculate. Wow, cool. So let's, oh yeah, I don't have a calculator right here. I gotta build a calculator. And okay, all right, so first number is 10, second number is 5, and addition is going to be 10 plus 5 is going to be 15. Subtraction, 10 minus 5 is going to be 5. Multiplication, 10 times 5 is going to be 50, and then division is going to be 10 divided by 2 is going to be by 5 is going to be 2, because 5 times 2 is going to be 10. Yeah, that worked. That worked, man. Cool. So that was our simple application with C Sharp. Okay, hopefully this helped you out. You know, just a little simple application how you start, and then you can just build more and more and more on this. All right, hopefully this helped you out, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good night. Bye bye.